The decimal place value system has given us a way to assign values to each of the digits in a number. And we do this using groups of 3 positions called periods. So that's one period, this is another period, this is another period, and this is another period, and those periods just keep going on and on and on. This period is units, this one is the thousands, this one is millions, this one is billions with a B, then of course trillions. And if we look at the exact position value, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, notice pattern, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion, and so on. What we want to do now is to be able to convert numbers to words. Let's start out with a couple of examples. First of all, we put each of the digits into their positions, then we start from the left and we read off the numbers in each of the periods and combine. What do we mean by that? Let's look at this first example and see exactly what we do mean. Start with the far right column always, and that's going to be the ones or the units. So that's the 1, 0, 5, 3, 4. And so to convert this to words, we said we start to the left, and the first period is the thousands, and we have 34. So the first part of that number is going to be 34,000. Put the comma in. The second part of it, we're going to write the number from the next period, 501. And that's really all that there is to it. Step 1, record all of the numbers within each period along with the period name. So in this case, 34,501. And we don't really repeat the units because it's 501 ones. Let's look at the next one. Let's put that into its column values. And again, we start with ones column. So we have the 3 there, 4 there, 8, put the comma in, and the 3 there. And as before, read from the left. And the first numbers in a period is this 3, and that's in the thousands period. So that's going to be 3,000, and then we have here 843 units, so it's just going to be 843. And that's all there is to converting from numbers to words.